Having a phone with me? What you need? Did you call me? What happened, Tam? About what?
I have to. My finances are down, and I gotta remove my nails,
Okay.
and I gotta stop for a while.
So you want me to remove your nails for you?
Yeah, I need to have them removed.
You on a budget or what?
I'm on a budget. Yeah, I
That's
gotta
cool,
cut
girl. I
everything
hook
down.
you out. I hook you out. Let me see your nails.
So these have got to come off. So
Okay.
I need to.
When do you want to take them off? Like today?
Whenever you can. It doesn't have to be today, but whenever you can get me in.
Okay. Do you need them right away or what?
It doesn't matter. Whenever you can get me in.
Girl, I'll hook it up for you. You know what? Man, why is all my clients on a budget lately? Am I that expensive or something? Shit. You're so
It's the
sweet.
signs of the times. I don't know.
It's okay. You look so cute, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
I have a 10 o'clock tomorrow. Do you want to come in at 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock tomorrow.
Come in tomorrow at 9. I'll take it off for you. I won't even charge you.
Okay.
It's on me.
Okay. All right. Well, then I need to talk to you about pedicures too.
Oh, what about pedicure now? I can't do that for free.
I know.
So that's different.
I don't want polish anymore on my pedicures.
You
but
just
I
want me
need-
to clean
I
it
need
up?
to I just need to do that like every couple months. Just to
Come
clean
on
up,
in, I'll take
and I
it.
need
You wanna
to
do
do
that
it
tomorrow?
as cheap as possible.
Girl, I'll clean your feet. I'll clean your feet.
But not for free. But I need to not do it for $60. I need it down.
I will clean your feet, polish it for you.
I don't need to have
No,
polish.
I know you like colors. I'll polish it for $40.
You'll do that for 40?
You take it or you leave it.
I'll take it.
Okay. I do it for 40 for you.
Okay. All right. Okay.
You're lucky I'm nice.
Yes, I
You're lucky I'm
am.
nice because you know I pray to the
Okay.
Lord.
So that's not tomorrow.
Come in for that
But
tomorrow,
that's tomorrow.
at 9.
At 9.
And I will
We'll
make an
schedule-
appointment for your toes when I come back from Hawaii.
Okay.
We'll take care of your toes.
Okay.
Polish it, everything look fresh for you. Because I
Okay.
know you're on a budget. And I know if you have money, you will come back to me anyway.
Yes, I will.
I got you.
Yeah.
All right.